Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing LED turn signals on my 2015 Camry. I got these today from Amazon. They have the built-in resistors and the LED bulbs. So usually when you have your turning signal on or your hazards, they'll flash really quickly, or they call it hyperflashing. But with these resistors, hopefully that will solve that problem. So in the box, I already installed one of the turning signal bulbs on the driver's side. I'm going to do the other one. I'm going to show you guys how to install this. It's a very simple process. So basically this is all you get right here. It's pretty simple, but hopefully that resistor will help solve that issue with the hyperflashing. You can see how bright the driver's side is compared to the passenger side. I'll show you one more comparison. So this is right now the driver's side. You can see how bright that is compared to the passenger side. See how dim it is compared to the driver's side. That's super bright. Here's another comparison. So that's the driver's side with the LED bulbs, and right there that's just the regular bulb on the passenger side. As you can tell, you can see how bright that is. So now onto the install. First things first, we're going to open up the trunk. So in my previous video, I talked about a hack on how to automatically open up your trunk with a bungee cord. I had this bungee cord wrapped around this hinge right here, but now I have an update. I'm using another bungee cord on this hinge right here. So that'll give more tension whenever you close your trunk. And then when you open it, just like that. We're going to be installing this bulb on the passenger side, since we already have the LED bulb installed on the driver's side. So there's a clip right here. You just push that in and it should pop out like that. And then you just pull back on this trunk liner. And there's another clip right here, but that should just come out right there. And then with the bulb, just turn it to the left. And then you disconnect the connector. Like that. So you're left with this. So you still need this piece right here, so you just remove the bulb. So with this bulb right here, you just use this connector to hook it up on this end right here. And it should connect like that. And then this end will just connect on the other side, and then this is sort of like a suction, so it'll just seal it in inside the taillight housing. With the garage closed, you see how bright that is right now, and it's not even nighttime yet.